Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I need earrings. Hold please. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a hair tutorial. How long has it been that I don't do a hair tutorial? It's been forever long that I don't do a hair tutorial, but in my last video I got so many requests, not only on Instagram but also here on YouTube, from you guys saying that you wanted me to show you guys how I did my kind of curled, really bouncy, voluminous, that's not how you say voluminous, like super volume hair. Okay, let's go with that. I'm not gonna make this video super lengthy. I want it to be really nice, sweet, short, to the point, because there's really not much to the hairstyle. So my hair is freshly washed. I washed it last night. I let it air dry. I always let my hair air dry. And then this morning when I woke up, I really quickly ran the blow dryer through my hair using a paddle brush. The way that I do that is I get my blow dryer, I get my paddle brush, and I blow dry my hair while paddle brushing my hair, and that makes me get like this hair. It's not perfect, it's kind of straight, kind of frizzy. If you really look back here, you might see some still like curly pieces, but that's totally fine. I don't mind that because I'm going to go in and curl it. Alrighty, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to brush through my hair. I'm going to make sure that there is no knots in the hair. You don't have to have your hair freshly washed. It just so happens that I washed it yesterday. When I did that hairstyle, I hadn't washed my hair in like 3 or 4 days. I only wash my hair once a week. So it's okay, you can do this with dirty hair. All you have to do is spray a little bit of dry shampoo on the top of your roots. So I don't really do anything to the bottom layer of my hair. So the bottom layer of my hair stays straight just because my hair is short. I don't need to curl the bottom layer of my hair, but if you have longer hair, then definitely do curl the bottom. So I'm actually going to start right here. So I like to go like at the tail of the brow, and that is where I'm going to first start curling. I'm just going to clip my hair out of the way. For this particular video, I am going to curl my hair using a straightener. The one that I am using is the T3 Rose Gold Straightener. I don't know the specific name, but I can find it and leave it linked down below for you guys if you want to go ahead and check it out. But it is the Rose Gold one. It's my favorite. As you can tell, because it's filthy, I use this a lot. I don't have a rhyme or reason on how I gather the hair. I just pick random pieces, like super random pieces, and I get my straightener and I always curl away from the face. So I'm turning my straightener in. I only go once, and then I curl down and I leave the ends out. So it's just like one little curl, and that's it. So let me show you guys again. Take my straightener and I turn it in once, and then I run it down and I leave the ends out and I let go. And I turn the straightener in one time, leave the ends out, and release. And then you can just brush it through. Okay, so let's do this back here. So again, turning the straightener away from the face, twist it once, release to make sure the ends are nice and straight. So this side, again, away from the face, turn it all the way in one time. When you get to the ends, stop and open. So let me show you again. So away from the face, run it through. When you get to the ends, stop and straighten. You can either section it down the middle or to the side. I like to just do whatever like my hair normally does. I don't like to make it too straight. Whatever it wants to do is fine. Sometimes I'll do it to the side. Today I'm feeling the middle part, so we're gonna do the middle part. A little piece of hair, take the straightener away from the face, all the way down, and then when you get to the ends, just let the ends be straight. I hope you can see what I'm doing because my hair is dark And sometimes dark hair and curls, it's really hard to see what the heck is going on, but I hope you guys get the gist of it. So you just, again, twist. When you get to the ends, just release. Now the hair is curled, it's really tight. And this is still really pretty, but I want it to be a little bit more tousled looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paddle brush and I am going to lightly like brush through it. And I like to do this because this also like gives me an idea of what I have to curl, if I have to curl anything else. So just brush through it and fluff it up. I'm going to take a little bit of the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. This is a nightcap, like an overnight protector, but I like to use it when I do my hair just because it makes sure that it preserves this style. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, like a pump, just a pump on the back of my hand and just kind of run it through the curls, run it through the root back here. I really like the messy look, so that's okay if it looks messy and undone. Lastly, I'm going to take some hairspray. This is the Herbal Essence Body Envy Volumizing Hairspray. Honestly, it's a really cheap hairspray, but it does a good job. And again, it's cheap and I don't really care. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of this all over the hair. And this like really locks it in. Like, look at that. Look at it. In my opinion, cheap hairsprays do like the best job. Ooh, that is it. This is how I get my super curly, crazy textured kind of beachy hair that you guys all loved in my last video. I hope I explained everything okay and that you guys understand the process. If you don't, I get it. I suck at explaining things, so just leave me a comment down below and I can go over the instructions one more time. But yeah, this is it. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share the video with your family and your friends and everybody on the internet because it's 2019 and this is the year. This is the year. Alrighty guys, I love you and I'll see you soon. Mwah!
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just want